Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're diving into what we consider the best friendship bracelet kit kids craft activity. The Friendship Bracelet Making Kit by Kslavagcnt. This kit is designed specifically for kids aged 6 to 12 and it's packed with everything young crafters need to let their creativity run wild. Let's begin by looking at the design and presentation. The kit comes in a bright, fun pink and green color combo that immediately grabs attention. One unique feature is its built-in side drawer design. Not only does this make storage simple, but it also keeps all the tiny components neat and organized. A blessing for parents and a fun surprise for kids as they open and explore. Inside the box, you get a mega combo of crafting goodies. We're talking 16 vibrant strings, 16 colorful rubber bands, 30 pegs, 16 fashion pattern stickers, 16 clasps, 30 decorative beads, and 4 anti-slip pads to keep the whole setup steady. Everything here is made from premium, non-toxic ABS material, so it's totally safe and durable for kids to play with. Now what really sets this bracelet kit apart is how accessible and engaging it is. Whether your child is an absolute beginner or a mini bracelet making pro, the included step-by-step illustrated guide walks them through each style with clear pictures and simple instructions. It's super beginner-friendly and promotes independent play, which is a big win for boosting confidence and sparking imagination. This kit also doubles as a fantastic bonding tool. Kids can craft on their own or create designs with friends and siblings, making it perfect for playdates, school camps, or family vacations. The wide variety of string colors, bead shapes, and patterns allows for personalized designs that are as unique as each child using it. And the best part? These bracelets aren't just for show. Kids can actually wear them or gift them to friends as real friendship tokens. When it comes to gifting, this is a no-brainer. Whether it's for a birthday, Christmas, or just because, the Kslavagcnt bracelet kit delivers excitement right out of the box. It's great for girls aged 6 through 12 and makes a thoughtful present for daughters, granddaughters, nieces, really any young creative mind who loves making things with their hands. But there's more than just fun happening here. While kids are busy creating bracelets, they're also developing fine motor skills, learning to follow sequences, and exploring creative expression. It's a hands-on, screen-free activity that's both entertaining and educational. In a world of toys that often come and go, the Kslavagcnt Friendship Bracelet Making Kit stands out as a craft activity that leaves lasting memories. Whether your child is creating their very first bracelet or building a whole collection to share with friends, this kit empowers them to make, play, and express. That's it for today's review. If you're looking for a meaningful gift that brings joy, learning, and creativity all in one package, this bracelet kit is your answer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.